In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a data science portfolio with GitHub. We'll start by drafting a clean portfolio using an AI assistant, then move it into a GitHub repository so it's easy to share and maintain. I'll talk through each click and give you tips to keep everything professional and organized. Begin by opening ChatGPT.com in your browser. In the message box, type a clear prompt like, "Create a sample data science portfolio for GitHub." This will generate a structured template with sections such as About, Skills, Projects, and Contact. Open the response so you can see the full layout. Take a moment to skim it. Look for headings, example project entries, and any placeholders that need your information. Keep this tab open or copy the generated text to your clipboard or a temporary document so you can paste it into GitHub shortly. Now, switch to github.com and sign in. From your dashboard, click the New button to create a repository. Give your repository a clear, professional name that reflects its purpose, then review the settings on the creation page. Public is fine if you want recruiters to see it. Private keeps it hidden until you're ready. Leave the rest of the defaults as they are and click Create Repository. You should land on your new repository's main page. Click Add File, then choose Create New File. In the file name box, enter README.md. This file will display prominently on your repository's homepage and is perfect for your portfolio content. Click into the big editor area and paste the first part of the portfolio you generated earlier. If the content is long, paste it section by section so you can review formatting as you go. Continue adding the remaining sections, and feel free to remove any AI guidance phrases or promotional lines that don't belong in a polished portfolio. Replace placeholders with your real details, and make sure project descriptions highlight the problem, your approach, tools used, and measurable results. Add links to your projects or notebooks, and double-check that you're not exposing any private keys or sensitive data. When your content looks good, scroll down to the commit area. Add a short message like, "Add portfolio README," then click Commit Changes. GitHub will save your file and take you back to the repository view, where your new README now appears as your portfolio. That's it. You've created a clean, shareable data science portfolio in GitHub. Keep refining it by updating projects as you grow, and aim for clarity, impact, and consistency throughout. Thanks for following along.